Hello my lovely flowers, it's me Nia with Exquisite Floral Design and Events, and I'm back with another video. I am a floral designer and I show you how to DIYs, design with me, behind the scenes, how to become a floral designer or florist, whatever fancy your boat. But that is what I do here in this channel. I wish you would subscribe, like this video, and you know what, leave a comment down below. So anyway, today is a day in the life of a florist. You know what I said I was gonna stop doing? I say too much. And the reason why is because I have to think before I talk. So I'm gonna start, and so I want to start talking without ums and so's. But oh, and but too. Anyway, we'll see how far we can go. If it takes too much of concentration, I'm just gonna be myself and just go with the flow. But anyway, I'm on my way to, so I was saying this is the day of life of a florist. I kind of wanted to show you guys how I do a walkthrough with a bride. So what I learned in the years of doing this is that a lot of times, you know, they'll tell me stuff and they'll give me times or whatever, but it's not right. So I like to, you know, double check, and what I normally do is we'll normally do like a Zoom meeting to go over everything, like all the stuff that they have, what time I can get there, any contact numbers and all that good stuff. Sometimes we do it, like I said, over Zoom, and then sometimes we I meet at the venue. It just depends on what the client preference is or what they like to do. Sometimes meeting at the venue is just whatever, but if they want to show me some stuff and, you know, want to make sure everything is clear, I don't mind. And then what I also learned, and I tell myself all the time I need to make sure I do this, is that I send a triple check the times that I'm going to be there, because and see, my wedding last week, her planner thought I was going to be there at 8 a.m. and I'm like, no, she told me I can be there as early as 8, but I'm not coming till 12 because it doesn't take me that long, and I told her I was going to be there at 12. But you know, they get things miscommunication with stuff. So like what I'm going to do now is my system allows me to like create an email, and it'll send, like it'll stay and send when it needs to be sent. So the link is down below. It's called Honeybook if you guys are interested in that. It's a great communication system and everything. So what was I talking about? Look at me. And so it allows me to send it to people. So I'm going to start doing that too, because what I keep finding out too, why is there so much traffic on this street? What I'm finding out too is that, you know, they're telling me one thing and then they're forgetting what we went over on the conversation. So after a conversation, I want to send an email, and then a day or two before, I'm going to send another email to remind them what's going on. So that's my thing now, because I need to, like I told you guys, also my wedding at the beginning of the year, you know, she had emailed me something. I didn't follow up, but I kept trying to have a second consultation with her so that we can go over everything, and then she was like, she wouldn't give me a review because of that. And you guys, I made best of Florist for Inland Empire with wedding wire, and I was like, oh, you probably give that to wedding wire and not. I'm like, oh, they probably give that to everybody. No, it's like you have to have, she was telling me you have to have at least 5 reviews, and then they pick the top 5% of in that area. So I was like, oh hell, that's really cool. So I got that award. I'm so proud of myself. You know, I'm a perfectionist. I don't know if you guys kind of noticed that. It gives me a lot of anxiety because I'm a perfectionist. something I've dealt with all my life. I remember being in kindergarten, and I went to a private school, and we had spelling tests, and you know, we had to be reading and everything. And you know, kindergarten, most kindergartners, they didn't do nothing but color and stuff. And I used to remember I had to have 100% on every test, or I was so sad. And that's kind of how my Kinsey is. She's exactly like me, so I just worry so much, and I try not to emphasize too much on, you know, her work and stuff. But if she's like me, I love when I do a good job and people recognize that. So like, I'm trying to balance it out with her, because I don't want her to be like me and like go crazy trying to be a perfectionist, and then when you do something wrong, it like scorns you for life. Oh my gosh. So anyway, you guys, let me stop talking. I've been talking for 5 minutes. You probably don't want to hear all this. Oh, so anyway, I'm going to the venue to meet with one of my clients. The traffic on the street is ridiculous. I had to go back home and get my coffee because I left it, and a jacket. Did I bring the jacket? Do you guys know my butt went in there, grabbed the jacket, and still left it? All right, let's go. It'll let me know what I did and what. Okay, so this is it. Oh yes, I remember that. Okay.
I don't need well wishes, good looks. What I need is love. You can keep your kiss.
Blacks, and so it's nice. It'll cover it, and then we'll put, like, it won't be full of flowers, but it'll be covered so that it looks really nice. And I totally remember this. All right, you guys, I hope it's not too windy and you can hear me. I am on my way back. I have to go pick up some carnations for just a floral cross that I need to make really quick before I go to a funeral. I was gonna do this yesterday, but what happened? Oh, I was waiting for the guy to come fix my floral refrigerator, and I text the wrong telephone number, something that I always do. So I'm on my way to my wholesalers. I'm gonna pick up this flowers. I tried to leave a message with another one, but because it's 4 days before Valentine's Day, it's probably crazy in there. So I'm gonna go run over there. I finished my consultation, as you guys saw, and yeah, like I said, I'm on my way there, and then I'll show you guys how to do the flowers, and I'm probably going to speed it up with you guys, but I'll do a voiceover tutorial on it, because the voiceovers do so much better than I did one that's just where I typed in what I was doing and you watch me, and then I did one that I talk while I'm doing the flowers, and I think it takes too long, so I need to like cut it down to like a 10-minute video. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Well wishes, good looks. What I need is love. You can keep your kisses and hugs. Yep, I've had enough. If it ain't for real, no likes. Everything else is hype. I just want the real thing. Can I have the real thing? I thought you would understand me. Don't know why we see I ain't perfect, but I'm being all I can be. You